What is up, you little carrots? Welcome back to Leroy Fixing Shit. My name is Leroy Scuttlebutt, and today I'm going to show you guys how to suck out the drain line on your AC units. Very easy job. There's your drain line right there. It's coming off of here, this unit here upstairs in the attic. We've got our air handler, and I noticed some water up on the ceiling a few minutes ago, so I think this is the problem. But anyways, this is a good spot to check if you guys have water leaking out and the safety switch is clicking off. But anyways, all you're going to need for this project, a little shop-vac. Plug her on up. I'll set you guys down. Actually, I'm just going to hold it. Show you guys exactly how to do it here.
That's where you need to get right there, get that suction on it. You guys just want to hold it on there as long as you hear stuff coming through the tube.
Alright, now we're going to take a look at where we're at in here. See all that nasty shit that just came out of there? That's what's hiding up in your AC drain lines, okay? So I'm going to dump this out and I'm going to give it another shot just to see if I got any more water coming out. But I'm guessing that was our problem. So what I do to fix this, suck it out here, and then up in the attic I'm going to put a little bleach in the drain line so it'll come out and clean some of the rest of the shit that's left behind. But easy DIY project for you guys if you guys want to do it around your house. Really, anybody could do this. No reason to call the guy out if you don't need anything special done to your system. I mean, this is a shop-vac and plug it in, that's it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching the channel. I hope you guys like the content. If you do, please make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, that way you get updates on the new videos. But like I said, this is Leroy Fixing Shit. My name is Leroy Scuttlebutt, and that's all for you guys today. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.